Hey guys, welcome to Dirt Gear TV. Today we're going to be installing this brake light modulator from TST Industries on this 2019 Z900. This is my 2019 Kawasaki Z900. Now you can see I've already removed a lot of the plastics. I'm in the process of doing some projects on the bike, so don't think that you need to strip your entire bike down just to install this brake light modulator. It's actually really very easy. So step one, you're going to want to remove your rear seat here, and then we're going to need to remove this fairing here. These are 4mm Allen bolts. Don't lose your washers. Then we just have these two Phillips on either side. Okay, once you have those removed, this piece of fairing just slides back. Slide it back, and then you should be able to wiggle it loose. There we go. Now once you have your fairing loose, there's these two connectors on this side over here. The smaller connector is the one that we want to work with. We're just going to open up this smaller connector here. And there's two pieces that comes with the TST Industries modulator. We're going to use our Y connector here to plug into the original harness. We're going to use our brake light in this side of the connector. You can even use this little peg back here to secure too, just like that. And then our modulator unit just plugs into this side. Okay, just like so. And then the kit provides a couple of zip ties for us here. So I'm just going to zip tie this whole assembly right around this pillar. We'll put our fairing back on. Make sure you line up all the little slots for your fairing. Make sure it's fully seated from every angle. Then you can put your seats back together and that's it. Okay, so now that we've got our unit installed, let's go ahead and test this. First thing you might want to do is remove this end cap here. It's just got two small Phillips in it. Now inside your unit you have two controls. There's a little button here and then there's a turn dial here. So this is going to represent the speed and this will represent the function of the brake lights. Okay, so that's function one. There's three different functions. This is number two. I guess it just never stops. Okay, that's number two, and that's number three. Me personally, I think I like this the best, where it flashes and then it stays solid. So now I just need to find a speed that's acceptable. That's a pretty good speed right there, maybe a smidge faster. Not that fast. So for me personally, I like this to run for about 2 seconds. 1,000, 2, 1,000. Okay, that's good for me, right about there. All right, once you've got it set where you want it, Let's get this thing buttoned back up. So that's it, guys. Pretty quick and easy install. This whole thing start to finish probably took me about 20 minutes. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. That really helps Google to know what videos the viewers are finding beneficial. Thanks for watching Dirt Gear TV. We'll see you next time.